So, this was the day na pa-depart tayo nami from Davao to Manila via Cebu Pacific flight. And gituyo na ko na siya na M&M amo ang luggage cover para dali lang namo siya ma-identify pag mag-pick up nami sa among luggage. At this point, excited kayo ni akong gamay na anak kay first time niya makasakay yung airplane. And what funny is, wala pa gani nilarga ang eroplano. Nagpili na siya kung sa iyang i-order daw. Then after makalusot nami sa immigration officer, nadiretso nami sa among gates kung asa banda ang gate number per hour Manila-Sydney flight. And I booked it via Qantas Airline. Pagsulod o paglingkod pa lang namo, excited kayo ang duha kay naa daw iPad. So pwede sila maka-watch og movies, pero walay mga games. And this flight from Manila to Sydney, it takes about 8.5 hours. Pero I think medyo na-delay mi ani na time, mga around 20 minutes before nakadepart ang airline from Manila. And meron silang travel pack, activity book, and this is free, especially if you have toddlers or kids because this is a long flight. And para dili sila dali ma-board, meron silang gagawin man lang. After more than 8 hours, we arrived in Sydney. And meron kaming 3 hours and a half layover. And another more than 3 hours from Sydney to Christchurch, and this will be the last flight. And finally, naabot ra gyud mi here in New Zealand.
Huh? Apel sa vlog ha? Bert, apel mo vlogger.
Vlogger.
Doha na mag-vlogger. Ikaw na lang mag-vlogger mo.
Hello, eh? Wow! Tugnawa, ay!
No! No, tama!
Ikanyan mo kay malamig.
Hindi mamawamin!
Ay, you like the ano?
Yeah, hindi mamawamin!
Oo. Dito lang tayo.